Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use spoilers in Telegram on your PC step by step. The spoiler feature lets you hide text or media until someone clicks on it, making it perfect for avoiding spoilers or hiding sensitive information. So let's get started. First, open Telegram on your computer and sign in to your account. Next, open the chat where you want to send a spoiler. Type the message you want to send. Now, highlight the word, sentence, or paragraph that you want to hide. Right-click the selected text. From the menu that appears, choose Formatting. Then click Spoiler. You'll notice that the selected text is now formatted as a spoiler. Press Enter or click the Send button to send your message. The recipient will see the text hidden behind a spoiler effect. They can click on the hidden text to reveal it. You can also add a spoiler effect to photos before sending them. Select the image you want to send, then choose the Hide with Spoiler option if it's available before sending the photo. After that, send the image as usual. The image will remain blurred until the recipient clicks on it. And that's it. You've successfully used spoilers in Telegram on your PC. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Telegram tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next video.